Namaste, Hamisha Kushru. Students, today I am going to teach you the child-centered education as a concept I have cleared in the previous class. Today I will discuss the principle of child-centered education. First principle of this play and curiosity means an antidote school is a place where play is seen to be the finest natural way of learning. Play is the center from which children learn how to get along with one another, to know themselves and learn about the world around them. Learning through play and being curious about the world are seen as essential part of the being human. They are to be nurtured for their own sake and as the foundation upon which a child's continued learning will be built. Next is principle self-discovery. The Anticore School is a process-oriented place where children discover their abilities, passion, and skills through questioning, problem-solving, independent thinking, innovation, and creativity. We believe children love to learn, and this sense of the adventure can be lost when a child is pushed to grapple with things they aren't ready for. Children and adults are encouraged to think flexibly. Children learn best when they feel emotionally safe and are challenged and are supported in their exploration and experiments. The teacher's role is to support children as they try new skills, make discoveries, and take the next step. Now, next is the whole child. The whole child in means anti school education is holistic. Our program incorporates the natural investigations of subjects, providing large blocks of the time for exploration and discovery. At the anti school, teachers know the children grow and learn by using all of their sense. Children develop skills through large and the small motor processes as well as thought process. Children spinning on the tire swing and working on jumping rope or building reading a skill as well as physical ones, and sometimes learning to roller skate is the best way to improving handwriting. Children learn that there are many ways to be smart emotionally, intellectually, physically, artistically, and many more, and all are valued. Choice and consequence means the children are empowered as they take responsibilities for themselves as learner and communicative members. With this responsibility comes freedom and trust, which they don't want to betray. Teachers are responsible for creating an environment where children can experience their own choice and consequence. This is how learning takes place. The Antitalk School provides opportunity for this type of learning both individually and as part of a group. Empathy, care, and mutual trust. Children learn best in an environment where children's and teachers' ideas are respected, trusted, and treated with unconditional positive regards. The learning groups are small with a caring teacher attending to progress and acting as an advocate for each child. Older children befriend and mentor younger children, often establishing lifelong connections. Children learn to solve interpersonal problems through talking and listening with the help of teachers when needed, resulting in a physical and emotionally safe environment. Next principle is taking responsible risk. Learning is a process of taking risk as children work on increasingly difficult challenges in order to succeed. Children must be able to make mistakes, experience failure, and learn from that experience in a caring environment. Failure is a powerful learning tool. The teacher's responsibility is to know when each child is ready to take the next step and to support the child's initiative. Next principle is time for reflection and a sense of wonder means in that know that the learning is often active and collaborative, but the time is also needed for the solitude and reflection. But both children and teachers need time alone for reflection, creativity, and developing their own ideas. In addition, they need time to exchange their ideas and reflection with each other. While this work is important, we also believe childhood is not simply a time to build skills for the future, but it is time to treasure and enjoy it for its own worth. Now, next is collaborative learning. Collaboration is a focus. The learning experience at the Antidote School Children learn that by working together they can accomplish goals that cannot be accomplished individually. Collaboration is not limited to individual classes but spans the entire school community. Parents and others share their talent with the school community in a variety of activities such as driving for field trip, helping maintaining school grounds, or sharing in the children's classroom learning. The natural world. At the entry of school, there is the appreciation that the natural world is the foundation of the healthy and natural development of children. Even the building is designed to bring the outside natural world serve as an inspiration of emotional and intellectual growth. Learning is not limited to the classroom. The outdoor is an important learning venue. Assessment. Assessment next. For over 90 years, the attitude school has successfully educated a generation of children without using graders or tests based on the belief that they inhibit curiosity, risk taking, and true learning, primarily through caring, observation, and personal interaction. The teachers are constantly assisting the children that the school is a small school by designing. We know each child intimately over time as an assistant, the human being creating lovingly of assessment. In conference with parents, teachers share their assessment of the child's progress. Assessment is done in this way to help children accomplish the ultimate goal, developing and modeling their skills of the self-assessment. So these was all about the principle of the child-centered education. Thank you.